Dwayne Wade lobs it up. Bam slams it down. Whiteside from Lillard. Block. Bam with another crusher and the Charlotte foul. Bam puts it in. Bam from Wade, a pretty spinning score. Bam returns the favor to Jimmy. Powell drives on Bam. He pinned him. Bam, look out. Oh my, the earth just moved and the roof just lifted. Here comes Bam. Got it. Bam Adebayo. It's a one-point game. Lobbing for Bam and a crushing dunk. Beautiful pass for Bell, rejected by Bam. What a pretty block. Bam traps it down and slams it down. Bam returns the favor. Oh my! A lob and a heavenly smash by Bam Adebayo. Antetokounmpo leaned in. Bam got the block. Giannis picks up a frustration foul. And a slam there by Bam. They turn Memphis over, and here they come. Bam slams it home.
On to Adebayo. Fouled and one. Bam.
Oh my! Another Bam slam. How do you like that? Well, a steal by Bam and the score to end the third quarter. Oh, that's pretty. Backdoor cut and a perfect bounce pass from Bam. Look out below. Bam. Bam with the slam. Kabam.
Chops. Bam Adebayo. Bam looking for it again. Oh. Bam. Adebayo.
Give the Bam. My goodness. The lob and the Bam slam. Blocked by Bam. Oh, he came flying in from the top to send it into the seats. Bam with the block and the catch. What a play by Bam Adebayo. And look at the finish. Oh, what a ferocious flush.
Oh my. Coast to coast, the big guy.
Tyler Johnson throws it up and Adebayo.
That's Isaiah Taylor rejected by Bam. Slam Bam, saying no thanks. Oh, hammer time. Take that. Not related.
Oh, Adebayo on a stuff.
Oh, what a block by Bam. Quick inbounds to Gordon. Blocked by Bam.
Great hang time there.
Oh, Bam getting a great look. Now Bam on the spin. Yes. Oh, pretty as a picture. For Bam, put it in and drew the foul. And oh, pretty play. And the foul. And a block with both hands. That's his third block of the game. Steal by Bam. Took it away from Holmes. Gets it back from Winslow. Puts it in and draws another foul. It has been the Bam Adebayo show. Bam! Oh, to Bam! What a lob! What a dunk!
Oh my, what a finish there, Eric.
James Johnson, what a play! Bam already has 2 triple-doubles this year. How about that? Another Bam slam.
Dragic throws it up. Adebayo throws it down.
Bam sends it back. Bam, the runner. Oh, it counts for Bam Adebayo. Deflection. Loose ball picked up by Derrick Jones Jr. Ahead for Bam. Look out below. Adebayo with another play. Block the shot. Oh my, nobody's home. Green drives in. Adebayo smothered the shot.
Oh, man, with 2 hands.
Bam underneath against Bamba. Oh, my. A powerful finish over the 7-footer Mo Bamba.
This is just pure physicality.
Great look for him. Got it from downtown.
What a pass by Bam Adebayo.
Oh, what a pass and finish. Bam with the slam. Bam with a slam. Bam! Wasn't the slam, but it was a great tip in. Porzingis. Oh, Bam with some delicious defense there. Bam with a gorgeous play. His 74th dunk this year. Bam back in with another dunk. Walker blocked by Bam. Into the paint, double clutching. Bam with a slam. I'm a follow.
Waiters three. Doesn't go. And last soaring in. Robinson lob out of bounds.
Bam never stops moving. So much energy. Lob for Bam, another crusher. An incredible, eye-popping show.
That hurts the rim.
Steph Curry blocked by Bam, who saves it in to Dragic. Robinson for Bam, down low for none. He got clobbered. Magruder lobbing for a Bam slam. Lobbing for Bam, what a play! A reverse dunk by Bam Adebayo, another big-time Bam slam. 2014, a Bam slam amidst it all. Biyombo blocked by Bam. A crusher. Oh, up top, kabam! Bam with the steal. Has Butler ahead of the field. Yes, sir. And Bam throws it down. Bam breaks it up. This is none. Has Bam for the dunk. Bam! Look out, Bullet. Bam got the loose ball and banged it through.
Trae Young rejected by Bam Adebayo.
The pump faker reverse jam for Bam.
Got to get some rhythm. Get shots like that will help.
Bam crushed it. This ball's pass, loose and picked up by Bam Adebayo. Racing all the way into the dunk. What a play by Bam. Into Bam, he put it in! Quick enough! 0.8 of a second left, and Adebayo delivered the game-tying score.